Planning to explore Cagliari without dragging your luggage? Radical Storage provides a fast, reliable, and insured way to store your bags so you can fully enjoy your time in the city. In this guide, we'll show you how to easily find and use Radical Storage luggage storage points in Cagliari, a trusted platform partnering with local businesses like hotels, cafes, and shops. These secure storage points ensure your belongings are safe while you explore. Simply follow the link provided to reach the official Radical Storage site. Once there, type Cagliari into the search bar, and you'll see a list of nearby luggage storage options. Choose a convenient location based on proximity to tourist spots, transport hubs, or downtown Cagliari. Select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed to payment. Radical Storage uses secure payment systems, so you can book your storage worry-free. After your booking is confirmed, you will receive a reference number and directions to your chosen storage point. On arrival, show the reference to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. Now you're free to explore Cagliari without the hassle of carrying your bags. If this guide was helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.